How to remove an employee's access to an account. The process to remove a team member's access to client accounts is quick and flexible. This ensures smooth management of account permissions and control over team access. If you need to remove one of your employees' access to a client account, you can easily do so in a few different ways. The first method is to open the client account and go to their Info tab, and then click Edit to the right side of the account details. You can unassign a team member for this specific account by simply uncheck their names here. Then click Continue and save it. Another way to unassign your team members from clients is to go to the Team and Plans page under the Settings section. Click on the name of the team member whose access you want to remove, then go to the Clients tab. From there, click the red button on the far right side of the client's name. Once you click on it, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Remove. The account access will be successfully removed from this team member, and you will still be able to find it under the Pass tab on this page. You can also remove access in bulk by going to your Accounts list. Select the clients by ticking the boxes next to their names. Click the Manage Team button and choose the correct option from the drop-down next to the team member's name. Then click Assign. Please keep in mind, to ensure team members can't see unassigned accounts, make sure they don't have the View All Accounts access right enabled. You can adjust this by going to the Team and Plans tab, clicking the three dots next to their name, and selecting Edit. That's it for this guide about unassigning team members.